You made it through another week of school at home, and I'm very proud of you. Well done. I hope that you enjoyed your time yesterday with Mrs. Schmawyant. She was very excited, it sounded like, to get to teach you, and I got to take a nice break. You know, I had so much stuff I had to do. I had to go to upstairs, and so busy. I know, I'm silly. So today in math, we are going to do a bit of a review. You're going to practice counting change. And then on Monday, you're going to have a quiz on all of the things we've learned in the past 2 weeks. So today during our Zoom chat, if you have math questions that you're having trouble with, I want you to come ready with those so that we can go over a couple things in math today. All right, so for today, let's just review what it looks like to count up. When we're counting up, we start wherever we are and we count up to the next what? We count up to the next tens, good. And then from there we count to the next dollar. Beautiful. And it's easy to get to the next dollar if we're on a tens because we just count by 10. Awesome. Now, if you're trying to make a bigger number of change, then you would start counting up to the next tens, then count up to the next dollar, and then you're going to count up to the next bill that you have, whether that's a 5, 10, 20, 50, or 100. Today we're on page 154 to 156. You're going to be doing numbers 1 to 5. So for number 1, it says you have $10. That's pretty awesome. Find the difference, so that means we're subtracting. Find the difference owed when you need to pay the given amount. So this is how much you're paying every time you're giving the person a $10 bill. And this is how much your item costs. First you buy something that costs $2, then $4, then $7, $3, $6, okay? You're going to calculate what the change needs to be by using subtraction. $10 take away $2, so $10 take away $2 is $8. And then you're going to go down to the next one. $10 take away $4 is how many dollars? Make sure that you put the dollar sign in front of your answer for sure, because that tells me that you're working with dollars. If you don't have a dollar sign here, I could say, is that 8 cents? Is that 8 rutabagas? Is that 8 tables? I really have no idea what you're talking about. And you know me, I will imagine that you mean something ridiculous if you forget to put that dollar sign. So make sure you put the dollar sign there. Now, this is the same idea in number 2 as we just did up here, except now we're working with cents. And we know that $1 is the same as how many cents? Good, 100 cents. So now we're going to subtract the number in cents, and you're going to tell me how many cents are left. Now, please remember to put the cent sign, because if you don't, I will think that you mean 30 elephants or 30 pieces of Lego. All right, now we're going to find the difference, again, subtracting, or this time we're actually counting up to the next highest dollar. I'm looking through all of these. These are already all on a 10. See all of these numbers? This is beautiful and quite easy for you. So figure out, what do I have to put in this box to get me to the next dollar? So if I'm at $4.60, I'm going up to $5. Right? From $4 to a $5. How do I get there? Then you're going to come over here, and remember the gray boxes give you a lot of really good helpful hints. So if you're struggling with number 4, you can take a really close look at what this box is telling you. So in number 4, you need to pay the given amount. Here's the given amount. You have a $10 bill. Find the difference owed. So just like we did in number 1, where you're paying a certain amount with a $10 bill, we're doing the same thing over here, it's just written differently. So you have your amount. Remember, we always start by going up to the next dollar, and then you're going to go up to $10 from there. Okay, so how many cents do I need to get here? How many dollars do I need to get here? And then I'm going to add my 2 boxes together to find the total difference owed. And you know how to write that in proper notation, dollar sign, number of dollars, decimal, or period, number of cents. You can try this today. You could totally do it, but I'm not going to force you. There, I'm nice today. All right, and once again, you need to pay the given amount. You have a $10 bill. Why does this one look longer? Well, because on the last page, it all started on 10s. See all of those numbers? They all have a 10 at the end. This one, oh, looky there. They do not all have a 10. They have a 5, so you have to start by getting up to the next 10s, then get up to the next dollar, then how many dollars to get to the $10 bill. 3 steps, but you can do all of those steps. You know how to do this. You just have to break it down. Then you're going to add the numbers in your boxes to calculate the difference owed.